He's saying, hey, baby, baby. Hey, baby, baby. He's the best boy. So it is down there.
Okay.
But with the fan down there, he's not going to
Do you
go.
want to go the other way?
No.
Or is it right?
We could try it. The
right
fan
where...
is right here, right next to it.
We'll go, let's come in the other way and see if that helps.
Go around this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Toilet one?
He loves toilet wands. I will tell you that. And plungers. Oh, he loves plungers.
After he gets the thing off the bottom, he just plays with the stick, or does
Yeah.
he like the actual rubber part?
He likes it 3 ways. Just the rubber part, just the stick, and them combined. Okay, that might be the bird section. This is rabbits. Okay, not birds.
Goat and sheep, horse.
Yeah, I don't think they actually have a bird section. That's okay. You don't really play with bird toys anyway. Oh, there's another fan. Let's...
Horse. Yeah, that's horse stuff.
Let's try going there and then
right?
take a right. Yeah.
What's that?
Ooh.
What is it?
Good find. Yeah. Did you want it? Yeah. Well, yeah, I know what you're trying to. Should I put it in the cart? Yeah, that didn't work. But
No.
we'll get it.
Should I put it in here?
Yeah.